Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to connect two devices in Cisco Packet Tracer by using DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Now first open the Cisco Packet Tracer. If you have not installed Cisco Packet Tracer, I have given link in description box. Please check it. So first open Cisco Packet Tracer. Now see, this is a work area where your work will get saved. Now see, first you have to select the networking devices. Again, in networking devices, we are going to use the switch. So see here, second icon is of switches. Just click on it. So it will show the different switches available. So we are going to use the PT switch. So select it. Again, we need a computer. So click on end devices. Again, in that we are going to take PC. So take the PC1 and PC2. We are going to use server also. So from this devices, just select server. This is a server. We want connectivity for all of this. So say check the connection option. Again, in this select the automatically choose connection type, and we are going to connect from switch to machine 1. We can switch to our another machine. We are going to connect switch to server. First, we have to set the IP addresses. So click on servers. You will get window like this. So just select on desktop, and we are going to set IP addresses. So select the IP config option. Again, IP config. Now see, it is showing the IPv4 address. So first, I will set the IPv4 address as 20.0.0.1. Now see, this is our IPv4 address. Okay. Again, subnet mask, automatically it will generate. Again, our DNS server address should be same like IP address, IPv4 address. So take DNS server address as a 20.0.0.1. Again, your default gateway will consider it as a 20.0.0.2. This is our default gateway. Okay. Now select the services option. Again, in this we want services as a DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Again, here you have to on the DHCP services. Again, here also we have to set the default gateway. So default gateway we have to take as 20.0.0.2, and DNS server, as I have told, it should be same like our IPv4 address. Take it as a DNS server address, because 20.0.0.1 and 20.0.0.2 is already addresses are already assigned. So we'll take the start IP address as a 3. Subnet mask will be as it is. Just click on save button. Close this window and switch towards the PC. Just double click on it. Again, go towards desktop. Again, IP configuration. Again, within this, we are going to use the DHCP. So just click on it. Automatically, you will get this DHCP addresses, IPv4 subnet mask, and everything you will get here. So here server at DNS server address is 20.0.0.1, and DHCP request is successful. So close this window. Again, click on another machine. Select the desktop. Again, IP configuration. Again, here also select the option as DHCP. It is requesting IP addresses, and automatically it will catch these IP addresses. For this machine is first machine is 20.0.0.3 and the DNS server address was 1 and gateway address was 0.20.0.0.2. Okay, so now this is also became dynamic, successful. Just close it. Now we want to send the messages, so select the simple video and take it for one machine. Simple video. This is for another machine. Now double click on first machine. You will get the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Type the command ping 20.0.0.4. So just press enter. Now see, it is showing packet sent 4 and received 4, lost 0%. Means we can send the packets here. Here also it is showing the status as a successful. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.